Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be talking about cloud-based VDRs for manufacturing and supply chain management. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talking about cloud-based VDRs or virtual data rooms for manufacturing and supply chain management. So let's start. Intro. Cloud-based VDRs are secure online repositories that can be used to store and share sensitive documents with potential investors, clients, and other stockholders. Number of advantage over traditional on-premises VDR. Intellectual cost-saving cloud-based VDRs are typically more cost-effective than on-premises VDR because manufacturing and supply chain companies do not need to invest in and maintain their own hardware and software. Scalability cloud-based VDR are scalable, meaning that they can be easily escalated up or down to meet the needs of the company. This is important for manufacturing and supply chain companies that experience inflation in their data storage needs. Security cloud-based VDRs use the latest security technologies to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and theft. This is important for manufacturing and supply chain companies that need to protect confidential information such as trade secret and customer data. Compliance cloud-based VDRs can help manufacturing and supply chain companies to comply with industry regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). Benefits of using cloud-based VDRs for manufacturing and supply chain management. There are a number of benefits to using cloud-based VDRs for manufacturing and supply chain management, including improved collaboration. Cloud-based VDRs can help to improve collaboration between manufacturing and supply chain companies and their stockholders. For example, cloud-based VDRs can be used to share design documents with suppliers or to share financial reports with investors. Increased efficiency. Cloud-based VDRs can help to increase the efficiency of manufacturing and supply chain process. For example, cloud-based VDRs can be used to manage due diligence during merger and acquisition or to manage audits. Reduce cost. Cloud-based VDRs can help to reduce the cost associated with manufacturing and supply chain management. For example, cloud-based VDRs can reduce the need for travel and can reduce the risk of data breaches. That's it. Hope you will understand this topic. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.